really special item on mixing with that. It is the AOA Studio Essential Oil Diffusers. We have them in 2 styles that are shaped like this, and we have an amazing promotion that's going to be coming out for the launch of these. They're going to be absolutely free when you purchase 4 of the AOA Studio full size, the value size essential oils. So we're launching with 4 different bundle sets that have 4 oils plus one of the diffusers together, and then it's going to be at $20. Even the value-sized essential oils are at a discounted price. There's 4 kits available, and they are Aroma, Calm, Breathe, and Stress Relief. So you can pick whichever one that fits you the best and use it to diffuse your oils. So I'm going to show you how to use the diffuser. So they come in a box like this. So the great thing is that they are charged with a USB plug. And then you'll find the diffuser inside. They're so pretty. Instructions, and then this little cotton wick that is going to be very important. So how you're going to set up your diffuser is first, the cotton wick, I like to just soak it in water for a few minutes while you get everything else ready so that it can start absorbing the water, and then we're going to put it inside the diffuser. When you open the diffuser, this is the bowl part where we're going to fill with water and essential oils. And then there's this little stick part here that you're going to open. You get a wick plus an extra wick for later. So this one I'm just gonna save. Once the wick has been soaked for a little bit, we're gonna take it out and then install it here. My pre-soaked cotton wick, and you only have to do this once when you first open it. So we're gonna put it back into the spring part, and then we're gonna put it back into the hole, and then it'll snap into place. So that's ready to go. And then at the bottom of the bowl, I'm gonna pour just purified water. I will do eucalyptus. So take your oil, and then it really depends on how strong you want the scent to be and how much water you have in there. But for like that much, I'll probably put in about like 10 to 15 drops of the oil. And if you want it to be stronger, you can just add more later on. Slip on the top and just turn it until it closes completely, and then it's ready to go. Take your charger. There is the charging hole right there where it says AOA Studio. Plug it in. So this is the back part, and then the front has the power button, the end of the USB, and you can use any like phone charger or any kind of USB charger port that you have, and you're gonna stick it in. I like to just charge it into my laptop when I'm at my desk, and then it's ready to go. And then we're just gonna hit the power button, and look, it's diffusing. It's so good for aromatherapy. I use it at my desk. You can keep it by your nightstand. You can keep it in the bathroom for when you're taking baths. It's really convenient just because it has a USB plug, so you don't have to have like an actual wall plug to use it. So this is safe to diffuse. If essential oils, if you want, you can just do water so that it could just act as more of a humidifier during dry conditions when you have like the heat running, or when you're just in a drier condition. So it's really, really multi-purpose, and it's so cute, and they're gonna be available in these 2 designs in 4 different kits. And like I said, they're gonna be absolutely free when you buy the 4 full-size bottles of the essential oil. So I hope you guys enjoy it. They are gonna be so useful for you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.